Hi guys, this is Alan from Let's Say Financial. How are you today? So for today, since yesterday we talked about a first pattern when we use the Bollinger Bands and MACD strategy. So for today, we will talk about the second pattern, which is when the Heikin Ashi's candlestick body touches with the Bollinger Bands lines. So the theory behind this is that when the Heikin Ashi body touches with the Bollinger Bands but didn't break through, it means that the price movement is not as strong, and then there is a high chance, a high possibility that for that price to head to the opposite direction. So when the Heikin Ashi body touch with the Bollinger Bands, we will expect the price to go to the opposite direction, and then we will place that. We will use that as the signal to place our trades. So now let's set up the indicators first, and then we will take a look at how this pattern works. So same as yesterday, the first thing I'm gonna set up is gonna be the Heikin Ashi. So let's go to the technical chart. So we will click on technical chart, and then we'll go to Heikin Ashi. So now we have a really smooth looking chart. So because the Heikin Ashi actually average out the price movements for us, so we have a really nice and clean chart here. So okay, so now we just close this Heikin Ashi window, and then we'll go to indicator. Okay, then we'll select the Bollinger Bands, click on Bollinger Bands. Then we just open the drop down. Okay, then we select the TP, so we don't need the TP, so we just deselect it. So now we have 6 lines on our chart. So next we will go to the oscillator. So just head to the oscillator, and then we will select the MACD. Then we open the drop down for MACD. Okay. So the parameter we're using here is 5, 35, and 5. So again, EMA1 is 5, EMA2 is 35, signal is 5. So all the setting for this pattern is the same, exactly the same as the one yesterday. So there's you can just use the same settings for both patterns. So the chart period I'm using today is a 10 seconds chart, and I'll be trading with a 30 seconds option. So again, chart period is 10 seconds, option period is 30 seconds. So now let's try to place a trade, and then after I place my trade, then I will explain it to you the purchase timing. Okay, I placed a high here. So now you see this white Heikin Ashi body actually touch with the Bollinger Bands, the blue lines. And then if I head to the MACD, the histogram is actually green, so that's a bullish indication. So now I have 2 bullish indications here, so that's why I placed it a high position here. So okay, so now the trade is about to end. Okay, so it's ended in profit. Okay, so now you see soon after my previous trade finished, the Heikin Ashi body actually almost touched the Bollinger Band again, and then the MACD histogram is purple. So that's why I opened another trade here. So sometimes you see this green candlestick here, the Heikin Ashi is not exactly touching with the Bollinger Bands, but sometimes you just can't be too straight. So it's almost touching, and then if we take a look at the MACD, the blue line actually going down already. So that's why I opened my trade there, and now it's end in profit. So again, sometimes you just can't be too straight on yourself. So if you see a certain signal, so if you think that the price might be heading towards your direction, then it's okay to place your trade based on your own judgment. So just adjust your strategy a little bit and make it yourself. So okay, so let's take a look at this one here. So okay, so I placed a low here. So now you see just 3 candlesticks before this green candlestick, the Heikin Ashi actually touched with the the yellow line, the Bollinger Band, and then if I move on to the histogram turns purple at this one here. So two bearish indication, that's why I opened it a low position here. So well, it's going against me, so well, it's really close. Okay, so well, okay, so well, it's ending draw, so it's okay. So I'm still having a 2 profit trade, so I'm just gonna make one more trade here. So well, again, this strategy, the good thing for this strategy is that it gives you a lot of trading chances. So if you combine the 2 patterns together, it will even give you more chance. So that's the advantage of this strategy. So okay, so well, let's take a look at this one here. Okay, I open a low here. So again, if we look at 3 candlesticks before, then we can see that this green Heikin Ashi candlestick actually touched with the Bollinger Bands. And then if I move on to the histogram turns purple. So 2 bearish indication again. That's why I opened a low position here. So okay, so well, the trade is about to finish, and yep, it's ending in profits. So let's take a look at the history. Go to history and trade history. Okay, so well, I make 4 trades today, and well, it's a bit more than I usually do, but well, I made 4 trades today. 3 of them were end in profit, and then 1 were end in draw. So well, the overall result was still in profit, so which is good. So again, this new strategy with Bollinger Bands and MACD and Heikin Ashi actually gives you a lot of trading chances than the normal strategy that I have been introducing. So make sure to give it a try, and just let me know if you do have any question. So for well, sometimes next week I will try to combine the 2 patterns together, and then just to show you how much trading chances, how much opportunity that is gonna give me. So just make sure to follow the video and then to find out more about this strategy. So well, if you do have any question or any suggestion on the strategy or the video, just let me know by putting a comment down there. So well, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video. And I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye!